Hello there and welcome to 1860 Grant Street. This is over in North Beach. Absolutely beautiful architecture. It's a furnished apartment. Amazing, amazing views. So we'll go take a peek at those first. Got a wood burning fireplace. Nice, big, huge, enormous light-filled living room. As you can see, just out the window, we've got a view of Alcatraz. And then from a little bit further over to the side, you can also see the Golden Gate Bridge, a lot of the bay as well. Lots and lots of light in here. We'll step on into the dining room. Nice glass doors in here. Enough room to seat 6 comfortably. Nice big amount of space in here. Again, gorgeous views. We've got these same glass doors leading out to the stairs that we came up in. We'll just open those back up. We'll go into our kitchen. Gas stove. Nice big table if you want to eat in the kitchen as well. And then a lot of built-in cabinetry. Nice little kitchen. And then we'll go ahead and we'll walk on over to one of the bedrooms. Again, lots of light in here. Good amount of space. Beautiful blinds that really keep out the light if you don't want that as well. Just off to the side, we have a separate bathroom, and then we get into the shower area. We've got another bedroom here, just off the side of the stairs. Lots of closet space as well, which is great. Big, huge, enormous bed. Lots and lots and lots of space. Again, tons of sunlight. Really, really nice. Fantastic views. And then we're going to take a little walk right on through into the laundry room, because up at the top of the laundry room, if we go up another flight of stairs, we get to find the roof deck, which is absolutely stunning. So we've got our washer dryer in here, and then we get to go up the stairs. There's a little area at the top where you can have little wine tastings, looking out at the views, especially if it's a little bit rainy. There is an inside space here as well. And then we've got lots of chairs, tables, a little bit of grass, and some plants as well. But the real thing out here is this view. So I'm just gonna let you kind of soak that in. We've got Alcatraz, you can see all the way over to the East Bay, Tiburon, up to Marin, and there at the corner is the Golden Gate Bridge. And just a couple minutes ago I could actually hear the seals right down at Fisherman's Wharf too, so that's always kind of fun. So I hope you come and take a peek at this beautiful, beautiful apartment. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye!